Hey guys, welcome back. I'm unboxing the Lightroom from Powerpack. Now Lightroom is used to take clear and well-lighted photos of objects that fit into the Lightroom. That I will show you in the later part of this video. First, unboxing the Lightroom, you need to see there is Lightroom switching plug and small information leaflet. To install the Lightroom, first unfold all sides and stick the magnetic part of sides together. If they are not fixing together, then stretch them a bit like this and try it again. After the sides are fixed, the Lightroom look like this. Now connect the LED light plug and connect it to the mains. When the LED is switched on, the Lightroom look like this. Now you can take photographs of the objects in the room by adjusting the camera so that the sides are not visible. Two backgrounds are provided, one of black and one of white. White background is also efficient for taking photographs, as you can see here. Now I will take some photographs in the white background. This is all about the Lightroom. It glows with the LED light and has two background shades of black and white. To keep the Lightroom, just unplug the plug and unfold all the sides back together. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe. Check other videos on the channel page. Until next video, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.